Welcome to Maintenance Module. QIA, Quality Institute of America, QIA, helps to improve your profitability through effective management systems. QISS powered by QIA. QISS, your quality manager. A comprehensive workflow based out-of-the-box QHSE software solution. QISS Maintenance Module provides tools to ensure that all maintenance activities are documented in one place, and allows the user to set up and schedule maintenance activities. QISS Maintenance Module helps to access records of complete maintenance activities and results of equipment. Access maintenance schedules with auto reminders based on all and individual equipment maintenance frequencies. Track and access all maintenance activity through the centralized web-based database, so you can trend information and identify areas of increased risk. QISS Maintenance Module ensures compliance with common management standards. It helps to perform scheduled maintenance and breakdown maintenance. QISS provides total downtime cost during the maintenance period. You can import equipment records from external Excel sources. QISS has the feature to filter out maintenance records according to specified search criteria. QISS Maintenance Module helps to cultivate a company-wide culture of continuous improvement. Thanks for watching, and for more information please visit our website.